Hi, I'm gonna show you today how you can use bias tape if you are a beginner. Bias tape has double layers, so treat like it is sandwich. First layer and third layer is bias tape. In the middle you have to place the fabric. So like you can see that in the sleeves material I am stitching, the underneath is bias tape, then middle part is sleeve material, and then top of the layer is also bias tape, and I am placing the material in the middle. Now you can see I did the one sleeve. Now I am doing the other sleeves part. You can see again that how I'm doing it. The first layer is the bias tape, the middle part is the sleeve material, and the top of the layer is also a bias tape. So like a sandwich, you put the bread on both layer, and in the middle part is the chicken or something. It's kind of same thing, and you can see the end result. Hope it helps, and if you like my video you can subscribe to my channel and like the video.